Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I DIY 2 felt abstract art pieces to put on my living room wall. I first started with this $10 thrift store find. I bought 2 of them, but I'll only show you how I did one. I started with spraying the Gorilla Glue on the glass itself. I didn't want to disrupt anything. I wanted to make this DIY as easy as possible. So I started spraying in the corners and just to give just enough to give adhesion to the felt that I was going to apply on top. Off camera, I measured and cut the felt pieces for a dry fit, so I was able to know where to place each felt piece. Here I'm just laying the pieces down as I dry fit them in place permanently. I really like felt art, the way it looks, but the prices that they're charging for these felt art pieces are out of my budget. So I decided to DIY this, and I'm glad I found these frames. They were like really chunky, and it was exactly the look I was going for. Once I finished laying the black felt as the base of the design, I began spraying the cream color abstract pieces that I had cut in order to lay them directly over the black felt base. I continued this process until I got the abstract art look that I wanted to achieve. And here are the finished pieces of felt abstract art on my living room wall. I think they turned out really nice, way beyond what I expected. And for such little effort, only took about maybe 10 minutes total. But look at the finished product. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.